Now, there's more hurricane support in the pipelines for schools and athletes in Western Jamaica. This will come from the Jamaica Olympic Association, who will join the many givers who have responded to the needs of persons affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October of last year.
Almost 3 months after the western side of Jamaica was ravaged by Hurricane Melissa, many families have been left struggling to put the pieces back together. It is for this reason why the Jamaica Olympic Association has decided to make its presence felt in the West. According to JOA President Christopher Samuda, after thinking long and hard, they have decided to go beyond the care packages.
We have now come up with a concept which we will term Olympic Construct, Invest in the West. As I've said, it is not only going to be confined to the exigencies of Melissa, but it will be an ongoing activation of the Jamaica Olympic Association.
Samuda did not give the figure that will be pumped into the project, but said it will be a significant amount in tandem with one of their partners.
And it will be, for instance, helping people to reconstruct their lives in terms of their homes. So we will be engaging contractors. We'll be engaging the requisite professionals. And if there's a need for the roof to be repaired, or you have lost your roof and the roof has to go on, then the Jamaica Olympic Association will be there to provide not only the funding, but also the persons who have the competences and expertise.
Samuda said their port of duty must be the sportsmen and women, along with their families, but added that the JOA understands the plight of the ordinary Jamaican.
We have to go beyond our remit as sportspersons, because part and parcel of the development and welfare of sport, of course, are the people over and beyond the sporting arena. And it is those persons who perhaps will assist on a day-to-day basis the sportsmen and sportswomen in order to perform and in order to take care of their daily responsibilities. So we will be looking on it quite holistically, but our first port of call must be our sportsmen and sportswomen, given the protocols in the Olympic movement.
The JOA will also be partnering with corporate entities in Western Jamaica to ensure the project is delivered. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.